What's up, y'all? It's Rhonda here. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a brand new video. If this is your first time here, welcome. I create style content on my channel every single week, and occasionally I do mix in a little bit of beauty, just so you know. And today this is going to be a beauty video. If you are returning, welcome back, you guys. Make sure that you click the bell notification right underneath this video. That way you know every single time I upload a video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 lip colors for fall, specifically for brown skin women. Who doesn't love like beautiful, bold, deep colors for fall? Like, it's a whole vibe. So I'm going to share them with you today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first color is my Anastasia Beverly Hils lip color in the shade Spice. I am absolutely into this color so much. It is the prettiest nude for brown skin, and I love it because it's kind of a mauve-y looking nude color. So I'm going to apply it first without a lip liner so you can see how it looks, and then I'm going to go over it with a lip liner so you can see how I deepen it. So you see that? It's just a really pretty nude color. I like it on its own. I don't wear it on its own very often. I do prefer a lip liner with it because it just makes it just really pop more, and it gives you that really full pouty lip. So I'm going to take my very ever so tiny lip liner. This is a lip liner by Ruby Kisses. If I can find the lip liner, I'm going to link it below. But the lip liner is similar to like cork or something that's like a light brown for like a nude lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. So that's the lip color. It's so pretty. It's like the perfect nude. This is another color you can wear with a lip gloss too, if you're going out and you want to make it pop a little bit more. If you're familiar with Anastasia Beverly Hills, her products are just spectacular. The quality is amazing. It's moisturizing. It's matte, but I can still move my lips. I can still touch my lips, and it's just a beautiful color. It's a beautiful texture. It's very creamy and velvety and just so beautiful. So this is lip color number 1. I love orange lips for fall. I just love a nice rusty orange. It's just so pretty. So the next color I'm going to share is by Maybelline. It is the Super Matte, what is this called? Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick. This is in the shade Globetrotter. It's so pretty. So it's like this rusty orange color. And I think, you know, as brown girls, I love an orange. I think sometimes we're kind of afraid of orange, but I just think it's so pretty. And this is going to be, it's going to apply like a lip gloss, but it's going to dry as a matte color, and it's just, it is so pretty. I mean, do y'all see this? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And this is one of those colors too. If you're not really into these orangey colors, you can always put on a lip liner and bring the color down some and give it more of a like ombre type of look. I love oranges. And this one is from the drugstore. So this is, you're talking about a $7 lip gloss. I mean lipstick, which is amazing. And especially if you're not into colors like this, or if you don't know how these colors are going to work for you, you know, don't spend so much money on them. You can go to Walmart and get like one of these that's only like $7 or $8. That way you're not making a huge investment in a shade like this. But I think this color works so beautiful on brown skin. It's very comfortable. It's a little sticky. Like when you first put it on, it is sticky, but as it dries down to a matte that's not sticky at all. But I thought it was a very unique color, and just one that I think is just so succulent and beautiful. I'm just totally obsessed. I'm so into this color, and it's just so pretty. So my next lip color is also an affordable lip color. I am a huge fan of Milani liquid lipsticks, and this is the Matte Amore lipstick in the shade Striking, and it is just This red is fire. I mean, it is so pretty. So let's go ahead and pop it on. I mean, do y'all see this? I mean, velvety, beautiful, soft, light. It is a dream. It is so velvety. It's so soft. It's so fluffy. And it literally looks like velvet on my mouth. So this kind of reminds me of like Ruby Woo from MAC in terms of the shade. It is like a blue based red, and it is just so pretty. It's perfect for fall. If you're not one of those girls who are into like those those bright fire orange based reds, I think a blue based red is always the way to go, and this is definitely one that is like superb. It feels amazing. It does not move. It's a dream, and it works for so many different skin tones. Now I will tell you, they are a liquid lipstick, so it is drying. So make sure you prep your lips prior to wearing these liquid lipsticks. That way you don't have to worry about your lips being too dry. My lips don't feel overly dry. They don't feel crusty. They don't feel flaky. They just feel super comfortable, and it's just, oh, this color is so freaking bomb. It's fire. It's fire. So my next color is one of my favorites. It is such an elegant, just a beautiful deep reddish, it's just gorgeous. Let me show y'all. It is the color Charlotte by Nars. So this is what the color looks like. It's just so beautiful. It's just deep and rich and just stunning. First, I'm going to apply it without a lip liner, and I may add a lip liner just to kind of bring it all together. I tend to do that with lipsticks. I tend to use a lip liner just because it makes the lips look more precise, but let's just go ahead and apply this. Oh. I mean, it's so velvety, smooth. Oh my God. I mean, it is so creamy. It is so beautiful. Oh. If you are one of those girls who don't like liquid lipsticks, who don't like that drying, you're gonna love this lipstick. And just, it's something too very just elegant and luxe about actually opening and applying an actual lipstick, especially these Nars Audacious lipsticks, because the packaging is just so luxe. And I mean, this color is bomb. Now what I would do to just make it a little bit more precise is I would take my lip liner. This is just a random lip color I had from Milani. It's so old, but it's like a deep kind of purplish. It just accents this color. You can use a really deep purple or a deep burgundy color. And I'm applying a lip liner. I'm doing this just to kind of make the lip more precise, but you really don't have to do that. This is totally optional. My God, this is how it looks with the lip liner, and I kind of, it's not perfect, but it's good enough, right? I mean, how gorgeous. This is so sexy. This is so, it's just yummy and beautiful. And I think this is just a really, it makes the lipstick look a little bit more rich and deep and luxe and just so pretty. Now I absolutely say probably my favorite one. Well, I can't really say that because they're all my favorites, but this one is one that I go to a lot. And because I just love a deep velvet rich color for fall and winter. So bomb. So my last color is from Colourpop. It is the shade Mamacita. It is a liquid lipstick. and it is fire. Every time I wear it on Instagram stories, everybody's like, oh my god, what color is that? Share, share, share. I'm sharing because it's fire. So here goes. This one dries down to one of the most beautiful mattes ever. It is so pretty, so flattering. It makes your teeth, like, see, look, super white. It just really, it's velvety, it's smooth. It is drying, but I'm telling you guys, it is just, it doesn't bother me that it's drying because I make sure my lips are prepped appropriately. And I just think a color like this just pops on everyone. It is a color that every skin shade can wear. I think it's super flattering. It's lightweight. It's beautiful. I love these purpley violet deep colors. They just, could you imagine this with like a really pretty, like fluffy, like white turtleneck sweater or like a cream sweater? I mean, that would be so pretty, right? Just kind of like the contrast of the dark and the light. But I just really love this color so much. It's one I wear all the time. It's Colourpop. Colourpop is only like $6 for their liquid lipsticks. They are amazing. They are beautiful. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5 favorite lip colors for fall. I will link all of them below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. In the comment section, leave what color you like the most, what color you think is like your vibe. You know, I like to know what you guys are thinking. So leave a comment below. Don't forget to check the description box if you're interested in any of these colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, but before you leave, don't you go anywhere. Before you leave, I want you guys to check out past videos that I have here on my channel. I will link them so that you guys can take a look at them. They're all fashion and style videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure you watch some of my previous videos. So thanks again for watching. Let's connect on Instagram. My Instagram will be linked below. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.